making sure we can record and see what's going on. Okay, announcements again, same as yesterday, guys. We're all back, we're all in the clear. Nobody's in the chat asking questions. Okay, we're good. Hold on, let me double check that. Yeah, we're all good in the chat. Yeah, no one's put anything in the chat. Okay, guys, so again, we've got Friday. We're probably gonna have, I think I'm gonna make it be like a quiz. Friday, I think we'll go with a quiz, unless we did a notebook. I think it is a quiz, because I think last time I checked, I think it was a notebook check. So I gotta make a quiz for Friday on all the recent stuff we've done. Probably a short quiz, like 10 questions. And then don't forget, we've got the article I posted last Friday, the ocean technology article. That's gonna be due soon. Get that all set and turn in any missing quizzes, missing notebook checks. Those become zeros soon if you do not get those completed. So please do those, get those done. Help me so that I can grade those for you, turn those in, right? Number 1, page 15. What is the deepest part of the ocean and how do they form? 2, what is the highest part of the ocean floor? And 3, what are the 3 parts of the continental margin from deepest to shallowest? So if you guys drew out that ocean floor map, you'd remember what those would be. Okay, so we got to know the ocean floor. We got to know deepest, shallowest. We got to know all the different parts. So go ahead. I'm going to give you guys 20 seconds to answer for bonus. Those Go Blue questions in the chat. Otherwise, we'll move forward. So give you guys a moment. Again, I can give bonus. I can give points to assignments, give points to Canvas stuff if you want to participate, get the right answers. And I will add those up at the end of the quarter here. Okay. So again, we're thinking about that ocean, just in case you guys forgot, right? One moment. Just in case you guys forgot, we're talking about this, right? I got to bring this up because this is just important to look at. Let's see. Where is it at? Why is it not popping up? All right. So did I have anyone in the chat volunteer to answer? I know we're getting caught up a little bit. Yes, no, maybe so. Okay, no. Let's move forward. Okay. So look at this map here, right? This is what we were supposed to draw on page 14. All right, we can see here. What's the deepest part of the ocean? Okay, the deepest part is going to be the trench right here. And that is going to be formed by what we call subduction or slab pull. When one plate goes below the other, okay, it's gonna pull down that other plate and make a very deep dip in the ocean floor, okay? What's the shallowest then? Well, the shallowest, ignoring shoreline and land, is going to be the continental shelf, okay? Continental shelf is the shallowest. Sorry, guys. So as you swim off from the beach, you're swimming off on the continental shelf. That's what's happening. Okay? So let's go back. Look here, right? So we just said trenches, slab, pull, plate, subduction, continental shelf. And for number 3, our answer is going to be the 3 parts: the continental rise, the slope, and the shelf. That's from deepest to shallowest. Okay? So we can see here kind of a zoom of, or an overview of kind of that part. That's the continental margin. It's as you go off, it's all a part of the continent still, but it's slowly but surely going into the ocean. Okay, so again, the shelf, the rise is the lowest, then the slope, and then the shelf. Okay, if you're going from highest to lowest or shallowest to deepest, it's going to be shelf, slope, rise. Okay. Questions on that? We're all good there? Again, Valencia, I'll mark you on attendance later today. Okay, let's go and do our first practice question today. I think we'll have 2 today. Which of these is not a special property for minerals? Not a special, which does not belong? Is it A, fluorescence, B, double reflection, C, magnetism, or D, effervescence? Go ahead, guys, just making sure you guys are with me here. You guys are listening closely. Give me your answer in the chat. I'll give bonus to those who get it right. A, B, C, or D, which is not a special property. If you get stuck, use page 12. I think page 12 of your notebooks, page 12. See what you got. So I still need people to answer, guys. No one's in the chat answering. Which is not a special property. Good, good. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Lakia. Is it A, fluorescence, B, double reflection, C, magnetism, or D, effervescence? Good, good job, Diego. Sergio, thank you. Thank you, Angel. Yorkies, thank you, thank you. Need more people, guys. Please answer that question. Give you guys 10 more seconds. Okay. Lots of answers. Good to see. Good to see. And a lot of you guys are getting it right. Fantastic job. The answer is indeed B, double reflection. B, double reflection, guys. So I want to call shout outs to Lakia, Sergio, Angel, let's see, Daniela, Yorkies. Let's see, and then Sergio and yeah, Angel. I think I might have repeated some people's names, but anyways. So again, when we learned it before, it's double refraction with an R, refraction. This is simply a miswording of that term. It's reflection. So that is not a special property because there is no such thing as double reflection with minerals. So we're not worried about that. Okay. Let's go back to page 14, back to page 14. Again, pages 17, 18 are ocean exploration. You can add that to your table of contents if you so wish. But we got to go ahead and finish page 14. Let's go ahead and check it out. And we're going to start ourselves off with the continental rise. Continental rise. We left off on Guyot last time, so let's finish up with 4 more, I believe, today. This is going to be the last. Again, you need to write the title and then what's in yellow. Write the title and what's in yellow. Okay? So what is a continental rise? Well, the continental rise, guys, is going to be that gentle slope. It's not as steep of a slope as the actual slope is. It's a gentle, it's a gradual depression or not depression, but like steadfall of that continent into the abyss, into the abyssal plain. Okay, and as we can see, it's located between the abyssal slope and the abyssal plain. Okay, next we have mid-ocean ridge. Okay, these are where the plates separate, hence the key term seafloor spreading. And when plates separate, guys, you've got to remember what comes out the middle. Magma, molten rock. Okay, that magma, kind of like if you were to like cut your skin, that you have blood come out, right? You bleed. The earth bleeds as well, but instead it's going to be bleeding molten rock, and it's going to form new land. Yeah, let me see. I got someone in the chat here. Sorry, guys. This can log off. Hold on. I'm not sure what you're trying to say, Diego, but as long as you can stay in the class session, you should be okay. Okay. So yeah, plate tectonics, plates move, they move apart. It makes a ridge. The magma comes out the middle, and it's going to stack a little bit, forming those mid-ocean ridge valleys, right? That involves seafloor spreading. So let's go ahead and check out. I got 2 quick video clips for that. The video that YouTube originally would not let be posted, that was banned because of using other people's videos a little bit. I kind of think I found a way around that. And that video itself did get posted, and it did get edited and fixed up. So just letting you guys know. So you can see here again, when those plates pull apart, the magma comes out the middle, and it's gonna cool in the water and solidify. So that's what we're seeing there. That's a close-up video view of that there. Pretty cool, fascinating stuff. So again, cooling down, that happens in the mid-ocean ridge. And if we go to this little video here, it's going to show us kind of that process over millions of years, what's happening, right? What's happening to create that? Well, plates pull apart, magma comes out the middle. Simple as that, simple as that. Okay, and we see that there. Sometimes it just leaves water, and sometimes it will get some of the magma coming out as it rips apart at a faster rate. Okay, moving on to two more for today. Two more is going to be the continental slope. Continental slope, maybe more than two, maybe not. Hold on. Okay, this is the steep part. Again, write all this, guys. Please write all this. It is the steep part, the very steep part of the continent. It just is where you go from the shelf, and then it's a steep drop off. Okay, it connects the seafloor to the shelf. Obviously, anything with the name continental on it is still going to be part of the continent, so keep that in mind. Anything still with the name continental on it is still going to be part of the continent. Okay? And then I think lastly, yep, we'll see here. One more. We'll find out here in a little bit. Margin, guys, this is all the shelf, the slope, and the coast together. You're going to make sure to write margin in these terms together, guys, or these bullet points. Okay, this is all the shallow parts of the ocean, all the areas near the continents. Makes up 28% of the ocean, okay? And it's going to make up, like I said, the shelf slope rise or the rise slope shelf. Again, typically in that order. Keep that in mind as well, okay? You may need to know those backwards or frontwards, okay? So, not the majority of the ocean, but some of it. Moving on, guys, card question. Which ocean floor features created by seafloor spreading? If you guys were listening earlier, you definitely will get this one. Is it A, submarine canyon, B, ocean trench, C, guyot, or D, mid-ocean ridge? Go ahead and answer that in the chat, since that way I know you're participating. So which is the result of seafloor spreading, guys? Go ahead and answer it in the chat. It is the last question of the day. Seeing some right answers already. Good, good, good. Shouts out to Amira, Joseph, Daniela for answering so far. Any more of us? More people to answer? We got Lakia, Sergio, Melissa, good. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. All right, let's go check it out. The correct answer is going to be, guys, D. Great job, and everyone who answered did get that. Fantastic job. Again, mid-ocean ridges are such. So Lakia, Sergio, okay, Melissa, Angel, and Yorkies. Great job, great job. Okay, let's see if we have to continue, if we have more stuff here. Oh, we do have more stuff. I made a mistake. We are not done. We have one more, guys, one more. Continental shelf. The most shallow of all the ocean, okay? Extension of the coastline, guys. And again, keep in mind, it changes over time because of sea level change. So during the Ice Age, water levels were a lot lower. So it was above the ocean floor back then. But nowadays, with the Ice Age not being around and the ice is melting a little bit, it is higher up on the ground, okay? So again, extension of the coast is the most shallow and changes during glacial periods. More like, again, below sea level most of the time, above sea level if it's during the Ice Age. This is, let's see here. That concludes, guys, I think our lesson. Stay online. Make sure I got everybody. 14, okay, good, good. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead. Let's see here.